Okay, a digraph being when two letters make one sound. Okay, so here we have today's first digraph sound. We have the S letter shape and H letter shape. Okay, S and H together in words makes the sh sound. Sh sound. Sh, sh, sh. Okay, like you're shushing a child. Okay, a sound like that. Sh. Okay, sh. Make sure you're saying the sound with me at home as well. Okay, so let's put this digraph sound, this two-letter sound, into some words today. Our first word is ship. Okay, ship. Sh. I. Ship. Sh. I. Ship. Okay, the ship is large, or the ship floats nicely in the Atlantic Ocean, you could say, as a sentence. Ship, ship. Okay, so 4 letters, 3 sounds with our digraph sh here. Okay, so going on to our next word with today's digraph sound is shell. Okay, shell. Sh. O. Shell. Sh. O. Shell. So 2 L sound here making the O sound. Okay, so 2 L letter shapes making the O sound. Sh. O. Shell. Okay, the famous tongue twister. She sells seashells by the seashore. Okay, try and say that at home if you can. It's tricky for even me to say. Okay, shell. Sh. O. Shell. Okay, so let's go on to our final letter of this sound, which is shapes. Shapes. Okay, shapes. Sh. A. S. Shapes. Sh. A. S. Shapes. Okay, so we have the digraph sh, and we've also got the split digraph a, where the e joins the a to make the a sound. Okay, and it's split between the p sound. Okay, sh, a, p, s. Shapes. Okay, the shapes are triangles, squares, and circles. Okay, if you're doing 2D shapes. Okay, so let's count the number of letters. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 letters. How many sounds? Sh, a, p, s. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 sounds. Great. So now let's go through them all again together. Make sure you're joining me at home with this. Sh, sh, ship, sh, ip, ship. Shell, sh, o, shell. And shapes. Sh, a, p, s. Shapes. Okay, thank you very much for watching today. Please remember to like the video and subscribe as well. It would be great help growing the channel. Also, please share the video and leave a comment as well. Thanks again.